Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to link Google Assistant to a power button on OnePlus 13R. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll a bit down and go into accessibility and convenience. Now go into power button, press and hold the power button, and here choose digital assistant. And now after pressing and holding the power button, the digital assistant will pop up. But if you would like to still access the power menu while having the digital assistant, all you have to do is press and hold the volume up and the power button at the same time. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.